This is the first video of me documenting my journey studying machine learning. Before we dive into all the machine learning things, I'm gonna be talking about the 2 months that I've taken to study mathematics. I have bachelor's degree in computer science, so my math isn't that bad, I would say. So yeah, the three most important math topics that you gotta focus on are probability and statistics, linear algebra, and calculus. I have studied the linear algebra and calculus from a book called Mathematics for Machine Learning. It's a very good book. The math on it is a bit hard, but it's doable. I highly recommend it. And for probability and statistics, I've used this one, Probability and Statistics for Machine Learning. It teaches you the topics with examples, and each chapter there is a lot of exercises, and there is even solutions for them in the end of the book. I highly recommend this book. Now into machine learning. Online and the people I've asked, they've always recommend these three books: Introduction to Statistical Learning, Elements of Statistical Learning, and Hands-on Machine Learning with Scikit-learn, Cars, and TensorFlow. This one is mostly applied machine learning, and this one it's mostly theory. So I went with this one. It's like the perfect mix between the theoretical side and the applied side. Like you can play with Python and some machine learning libraries at the end of each chapter, which I really enjoy. It's like a good change and a good learning experience, I would say. So yeah, I've went with this book. It's a really good book. The reading experience and everything is just superb. It explains the topics very well, very simple, with examples and data sets on the website, and also the book is free. So yeah, what else do you want? I highly recommend it. So yeah, now back to studying and how I take notes. I use the good old pen and paper and Obsidian, and I kinda augment them in a really weird way. I will probably make a video about that. But yeah, I write the notes and everything on paper. Then after a week, I rewrite them on Obsidian, and like I review my chapters and everything that I've studied. And I also use LaTeX for math formulas, so it looks cool and sick. And yeah, I really like the notes that I've taken. I think they look pretty great. And yeah, it is also this cool thing about Obsidian. It's like the graph, and yeah, it shows you like each topic linked with other topics, and yeah, it's very cool. And now with what I've learned this week of studying machine learning, yeah, on the theoretical side, the basics of machine learning and like the concepts like supervised and unsupervised learning, predictions versus inference, regression and classification problems, parametric and non-parametric methods, accuracy versus interpretability. Yeah, I can spell that. And how to pick the right method for your dataset, like the quality of the fit, mean squared, bias and variance trade-off, classification settings, and the k nearest neighbor. On the applied side, I've studied NumPy and a lot of NumPy, Matplotlib, Pandas, and Jupyter Notebook. And on that note, let me show you the Jupyter Notebook that I've used. It's been a lot of fun, playing with the data set that the book provides. And yeah, it guides you step by step, and you can learn a lot of stuff, I would say. I've got programming experience, like I've coded in Python. I made a lot of projects with it. So yeah, it's been really fun learning these frameworks. I've also made a GitHub repository. Post all my notes if you wanna check them, and if they can help you study or anything. And yeah, I've also shared my Jupyter notebooks, the figures and the data set that I've used. So yeah, with that, see you next week.